Hello, yes, it's how to not to again, and in this video I'm going to show you the synthetic cycle on the Samsung washing machine 9kg drum. And I do apologise for not uploading for a long time. My laptop broke before, just after Christmas actually. I will be doing a video on which laptop I did end up with. This video will be coming out once I get that laptop. So anyway, in this video I'll be doing the synthetic cycle, so let's get on with it. So I'm just going to check if we've got any beads left, you know, those fragrant beads that I usually put in the bottom of the drum. They've all gone. So next to go in is the liquid detergent I've got going on here. Ooh. Oh. Okay, that's it. Right. I'm going to add a bit of detergent, powdered detergent, in the dispenser drawer just to give it a bit more, you know, kick. Yeah, about that much, I think, yeah. In the detergent compartment, and I think this will need another clean. Probably my next video I get to clean the dispenser drawer. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell to be notified of my video. Yeah, switch it on. And we're going to do the which one was it again? The synthetics, wasn't it? Which will take 2 hours. Yeah, we'll stick with that. 2 hours 25 minutes. And just to let you know, you can change the cycle just by pressing this button here, pause, and then turning the dial. Ooh, that looks promising, doesn't it? It's a cotton cycle, only 1 hour 27 minutes. Shall we? I think we will. Yeah, I'm going to do the cotton cycle actually, so let's do that. Press play. A very useful function to have, you know, where you can pause it, and if you want to change your mind, change the cycle, you can do that. So this is the cotton cycle. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this has been the cotton wash. Okay, let's get the wash machine door open, get the clothes out the wash machine.
It smells lovely and fresh, and looks very clean.
Yeah, I think that was a good job putting the detergents, the powdered detergent that is, into the dispenser drawer, as well as the liquid detergents in the drum. It's come out really fresh and clean. Yeah, perfect. Okay, yeah, I'll see you in my next video.